I'm going to start by having you guys also introduce yourselves. So I'll pass the mic over.
Good morning. My name is Melinda Morgan Sterling, and I'm a historian for the General Day Chappie James Jr. Chapter of Tuskegee Airmen Incorporated.
Y'all come over there where I'm standing for a second. Introduce yourself.
Good morning. My name is Jock Sterling. I am a member of the Chappie James Jr. chapter.
So before I move on to the K.O.P., does anybody know when we say Tuskegee Airmen, what is that? What is that about? You guys know anything about that? Tuskegee Airmen? Go ahead, Nehemiah.
They're one of the first black pilots in World War II.
Yeah, very good. Excellent. Hey, give him a hand. That's excellent. A lot of folks who don't know that. So that's absolutely amazing. So the purpose behind the Tuskegee Airmen Incorporated is to further the legacy of the Tuskegee Airmen. And half of the battle in furthering, that legacy is awareness. So the fact that I'm asking that question, if somebody knows the answer, that's a good thing. We want more people to know that answer. We want more people to know who the Tuskegee Airmen were. And so that's the purpose of our organization, is to educate. Mrs. Sterling said she was a historian. What does that mean? What is a historian? Yeah, absolutely. She's studying on historical accounts. She can tell you so much about the Tuskegee Airmen, not only just from reading about it and looking at articles, but because she's met numerous original Tuskegee Airmen, or what we call DOTAs, documented original Tuskegee Airmen, some of which are still here with us today, but they're well into their hundreds as far as their age. She plays a very, very vital and pivotal role in just furthering the purpose of the organization, along with volunteers like myself and Mr. Sterling coming out to events like this and just pouring into you guys. All right, and now, as far as the Knights of Pythagoras, I'm going to have these young men introduce themselves.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Alex Brown.
My name is Roman.
My name is Marley.
My name is Ed.
All right, so you got Al Reese, Roman, Marley, and Zach, and they're all coming down from Melbourne. So there's a local council of the Knights of Pythagoras down in Melbourne, just like you have one based here. We all work together. In fact, we'll all be together next month for a statewide event.
You got two Knights out here now? You got two Knights in the group here now?
Who they? Announce yourself. Where y'all at?
Knights.
Oh, okay. All right, that's all right.
And
That's
also
good stuff. Yeah, okay.
What's your position in lodge?
Very last person lands their drone. Whichever team lands first wins. Y'all got it? Y'all got it? All right. So remember, after you land, what are you going to do after you land the drone over there? You're going to run. You got to run the control over there so they can take off. All right? All right, everybody, start your engines. Y'all know how to start it. I want to make sure they're on. Start yours. You got it? Don't let go. Stay on it. There you go. There you go.
You are last person. Come on. You gotta win.
Small movements. Go ahead and drop it. It ain't got to be perfect. Drop it. Hey, watch out. You're inside the cone. If you get hit, I can't do nothing about that. Y'all are inside the cone.
Y'all done? Okay.
Stay on. So count on each other. It's great to have friends. It's great to have teammates you can count on. Consider this right here. We as human beings, we can't deal with depth perception very well. So if I'm trying to hit a target from that far, I need folks telling me if I need to go further that way or further this way.
And we're going to thank the folks from the Tuskegee as well. You give them a hand as well, too. And of course, the man who put it all together for the 99 squad. Give a big hand to Mr. Ramon. And we cannot help but fit, and he's no stranger. Give it up for Anthony Hickman in the back over there. Give it to Anthony Hickman. We got a guy, make sure we get a picture. Before we get a picture, let's see how we do it. EJCA! There we go. Come on, let's get a picture, everybody. You get in the middle, my brother?
Put that stuff away real quick. Put it